Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Arcium token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Arcium is building the encrypted supercomputer, a decentralized network or for trustless computation over fully encrypted data. Arcium's vision is to serve as the encrypted execution engine for all of humanity, powered by the most trustless and scalable cryptographic encrypted execution stack, Cyberus MPC protocol. Arcium enables encrypted shared state and encrypted computing for applications across blockchain, AI, and beyond. It is the only scalable, composable, and trustless solution capable of meeting the growing demand for confidentiality in blockchain, enterprises, and government. With the most advanced performant encrypted computing protocols in the market, Arcium token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 208.83 million ARX token. ARX token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.